Hello friends, it's me, Mr. Wilson, and you won't be seeing my face, but you'll be seeing my hands in this video. We are working on Math Lesson 1 in Chapter 12. Chapter 12 is all about recording data and making graphs and charts. So today you can tell our blue lesson is called Collect and Record Data. First of all, I'm going to give you a few seconds where you can pause the video, and if you haven't ripped out pages 691 to 696, go ahead and do so. So you can click pause now if you have not done that, and then click play when you have ripped them out. So first, let's go ahead and read our first paragraph here. Data is collected information or facts. One way to collect data is by taking a survey or asking a lot of people a question. So when you take a survey, you're asking people questions. A frequency table or tally chart will help you record the data you collect. So all 5 of those highlighted words, well, 4 of them, I guess, are our vocabulary words for this lesson. So data means the collected information or facts. Survey is when you ask questions, and you can record your data on a frequency table or a tally chart, and you are about to figure out what those are. So, example number 1, Math in My World. Mr. Alvarez surveyed his scout troop. He asked each of his scouts, "What is your favorite camping activity?" The results are shown. You can work. The results are shown. Organize the data and complete the table. So he asked, and you can see the green chalkboard here, the activities were either swimming, hiking, or fishing. He has Hunter, Eric, Ian, Jamal, Alano for swimming, Amado, Avery, Omar, and Nicholas for hiking, and Julian, Chin, and Lamarco for fishing. So he's going to use that data. He asked a question. He recorded the data in a chart. Now we're going to use a tally chart, okay? So each tally equals 1 scout. So each tally mark, each little line here equals 1 scout. So swimming here, we had Hunter, Eric, Ian, Jamal, Alano. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 tally marks here. Hiking, there were 4 friends. Fishing, there were 3. Okay, so that's a tally chart. Next is a frequency table. So a frequency just means the number. So instead of using tallies, we're using a number. So we have a blank, hiking, and fishing. What do you think goes in this blank? Look over here at this chart. What word is missing? If you said swimming, you were right. Swimming is missing. So swimming had 5 friends. Write swimming in that top blank. Okay, 5 friends because there were 5 tally marks. Now for hiking, we had 1, 2, 3, 4 tally marks. So you're gonna write 4 next to hiking. And finally you have fishing, which had 1, 2, 3 tally marks. So we're gonna write 3. Okay, so this seems pretty simple for today. Now it says, can you write 1 sentence about the data that was recorded? Okay, so using this data, what's 1 sentence you could write? I'm gonna give you an example, and you can either copy mine or you can write your own. So I'm gonna say more scout, oh, I can't even spell scouts right, so that's a problem. Scouts enjoy swimming more than any other activity. Now if you wish to pause the video and copy my writing, now's a good time to pause it. If you're gonna write your own, pause it and write your own. When you're ready to move on to the next page, press play and follow along. So next we have example 2. Survey your classmates, record the results. So we're just gonna make up our own because we are not at school with everybody, which stinks, I know. So it says, write a survey question to ask your classmates. An example is shown. which type of lunch is your favorite? So we are going to ask that same question to ourselves, and we're going to make up an answer. Okay, so this question here that I'm underlining, which you can barely see, needs to be written here. So you're gonna have to use your small, nice handwriting. Which type of lunch is your favorite? Okay, so then down in these blanks, we're gonna write our options. So we have a grilled cheese, so I'm gonna write a GC, grilled cheese. And then for the next one, we have pizza. That's small enough I can fit it in my box. The next one was peanut butter and jelly, PB&J. And then in our next box, we have spaghetti, which hopefully you can fit that in the box. Okay, so we're gonna say that 4 people enjoy grilled cheese. Oh my goodness, I need to read number 2. Create a tally chart or a frequency table to record your results. We are going to do a tally. Okay, so you don't have the option of a frequency. You're gonna make a tally chart. Okay, tally. So grilled cheese, we had 4 people, so 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pizza's pretty popular. We're gonna say 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4. When you get to your 5th tally, you cross all 4 of them with 1 line, so that's 5. And then 6, 7. PB&J, there were 2, 1, 2. And spaghetti, only 1 person liked it. Okay, so our class was pretty small. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So then number 4 says, write 1 survey that describes your survey results. Write 1 sentence, not write 1 survey. Okay, so you could say, make up your own sentence, or you can write what I'm gonna write. Spaghetti, if I could spell once again. Oh my goodness, use your eraser, don't use a pen like Mr. Wilson. Spaghetti is the least favorite lunch in our class. Okay, so you can write that sentence. After you write that sentence, we're gonna do this 1 guided practice together, and then I'll let you know what's gonna happen next. So guided practice question 1. The data shows the sports cards most frequently traded in Mrs. Patton's class. Organize the data in a tally chart. So they've given us a frequency, this is frequency, and this is a tally. Okay, so they've given it to us in a frequency, we need to transfer it to a tally. So first you're gonna take your sports names and rewrite them over here. So our first one is basketball, baseball, football, hockey. Okay, next we need to make our tally marks. So we had 3 basketball cards. So how many lines are you gonna draw? 3. Next we have 6 baseball. So we have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross to make your 5th, and then 1 more to make 6. Football, there's 9, so you're gonna do 4 again. Make your cross to make 5, then 4 more, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. And then hockey, there's 5. So we're gonna make 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to cross. Okay? So now you need to answer these questions. Which is the most popular sport card to trade? What do you think? football, because it has 9 cards being traded. And the least popular, which means the lowest number, would be basketball, because it only has 3. Okay? So now that we've learned about a tally chart and frequency chart, we're gonna move on. However, you are going to do independent practice by yourself. Your parents can help read if you need them to. Most of you do not need help. However, if you need help reading them, fine, but follow directions on this page, complete it. The next page, page 694, we never do this page. The one that says problem solving, we never do it, so do not worry about it. And then finally, if you would like to try the homework, I would greatly appreciate it if you would try the homework front and back. It's not difficult, read it carefully. Feel free to send me pictures if you want me to look it over. After you've completed independent practice page and whether you decide to do your homework page, you need to get on IXL and do skill U14. That is your skill for today, okay? If you have any questions, reach out via email on my Facebook group on Remind, okay? Miss you all. I will see you with our next video. Bye.